Oh, hi! I'm guessing you're a TikTok user, concerned parent, or maybe you're just really curious. Miguel here from Tech, and in today's video, we're talking about the sensational TikTok app. Did I get it? Did I get it? From photo sharing apps, we are indeed moving forward to now video sharing. And so far, it's been a total hit. You may or may have not used it yet, but I'm sure you guys have heard or seen TikTok already. But then we ask, with all this freedom and more attempt to be noticed, how far can TikTok users go? And how safe is it? So we've gone through the app and researched how TikTok keeps its users and viewers safe. And here's what we found out. Number 1. You can choose to keep your accounts public or private just like any other social media accounts. Number 2. 13 is the minimum age according to TikTok's terms and conditions, so when you input your date of birth and you're below the age of 13, the app will tell you, sorry, you're not eligible, but thank you for visiting our TikTok app. So I guess you guys gotta wait. Number 3, did you know that this app has a digital well-being feature? So if you've been on the app for more than 2 hours, it's gonna alert you. Number 4, when you take the time to go to the settings and safety features, you'll notice that you have the ability to limit who can download your videos, comment, or even send reactions to your videos. That's pretty dope. Also, you can select, allow, and block other users from creating duet videos and sending you direct messages on the app. 5. It's good to know that you can report content. If you come across a video that's malicious, offensive, or something that violates the community guidelines, then simply report it. Lastly, 6. TikTok recently showed its support for the Safer Internet Day by launching its hashtag #BetterMe, Better Internet campaign. This campaign also encourages them to observe positive online habits by giving away prizes to those who can answer all the questions to their in-app safety quiz, and by rolling out a special sticker set that promotes positive messages. You can check out your safety quiz and find out your safety score yourself. Now, looking at these safety features, are you guys more likely to use TikTok now? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our latest videos. You can also visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel from Yugatech, and see you in the next one.